My barrel jeans are from Aldi. To expire. Yeah, the puff down I normally get. So I'm not know if I forget to be it. So I'm going to cook some mackerel and butter. Time to make some. I'm going to cook some. I think it turned out very good. Here, look for the people in the beach. They're not going to yard. Hi guys, good morning.
Welcome back to the channel.
If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle and I know a lot of you guys are new. Thank you guys for subscribing. You didn't just watch, you took the time to subscribe. Alright, so we're heading out on the road now. I'm going to Aldi.
And then we're also going to wash the rug outside because outside really hot. So we're going to try and wash it before the sun peaks.
And it's peaking about 2.
Yeah, between 12 and 2 and time it really hot outside. So I have to try and wash it. I say hopefully the rain will fall and it can dry, but that's the being so we're going to wash this rug.
And every time we just put it off.
So today we're going to do it and hopefully Zion can have some fun too.
Alright, so stay tuned for the vlog guys. I am heading out. Let's do a OOTD. My barrel jeans are from Old Navy. My slipper is Tory Burch. My crop top is from Fashion Nova. And my glasses from Fashion Nova.
Well, you know I'm new to this, so.
Xavier's shirt is from Fashion Nova.
My hat is from Shein.
Yes.
And my shirt is from Fashion Nova. And my jeans is from Ross. And my shoes is the Nike Mine. Yeah.
Zaya gone upstairs. I don't know why she gone upstairs, but she gone upstairs.
But guys, tell me. Let me know if you wanna drink this cut water thing, because this cut water thing is different. This thing got 12.5% in this small can. It is ridiculous, but it tastes good though.
Yeah, it tastes good. Alright, so we're gonna head out now, so stay tuned for the vlog, guys. Guys, I'm gonna turn on my mic. Guys, I am in the Caribbean store. You know, someone some call me to make some porridge. Yeah. Which one may I go get? I think I go get that one here, don't I? So see it here, see one here. I'm buying one of them cake here. Fruit cake. I think Xavier take up some of the Fizaya. One bun. Yeah, I take up 2 mackerel. The Shirley's biscuit dear in here than in a something than in a Walmart. Look on it in here. $1.99. What else may I go get? May I get a big food Fizaya? I have to hurry up because music are playing here. I'm gonna hurry up and come out. I'm gonna buy 2 cock soup. I'm gonna buy 1 pumpkin and 2 cock soup. No, 1 chicken noodle. I think that's it. One of them the cheese crunches. I don't think Zaya gonna eat them. Alright, I'm gonna come hurry up and come out. Xavier can get the saltfish. Hurry up and come out. Which part is saltfish?
I get some red ring.
Red ring? A long time I didn't red ring. Let me see. So much for salt mackerel. Yeah, me know. I just don't want nobody draw attention to my camera. It's a product of Canada, 718. May I buy one red ring and see if Zayada eats it. I've never given her that before. Salt mackerel off again. This is a saltfish off for $10, $10.99, $11. And it's to expire. Let's see the red in here. Two applesauce. And what else? I think that's it. Yeah, for right here, so. And the other puff that I normally get, I don't know if I forget her any. I'm gonna buy her some pretzels. But I don't see the one more for buy. Buy 2 green juice. Yeah. I gotta stop. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I just left out of Aldi and I did went to the Caribbean store before. There's one other place I need to go, which is Publix, and I'm not going to go there today because out here hot already. It is now 10:26. Zion in the sun, she just hide her face. I don't know, she's afraid of the sun. I understand because it's really hot out here. So we just got head home. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am home. Pack out the stuff, them and everything already. And I am home and pack out the stuff, them do all that good stuff. This is the sawfish that I got. It was for $8.13. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. Alright, so I'm gonna cook some salt mackerel and butter bean. Let me check if it's butter bean because I did ask Xavier for bites for me. Yes, it's butter bean. So I'm gonna cook some salt mackerel and butter bean, and also I think I'm gonna buy some dumpling. But yeah, I think that make a look bored. Long time I eat salt mackerel. So I'm excited to try that. So stay tuned for the video. So the salt mackerel. I don't know if it's because the place is hot. I just feel tired. This is it. Xavier paid $17.80. It's $8.99 per pound. One thing with salt mackerel, it smell bad. So I'm gonna get some of it going. Wait there. Is that in the dishwasher? I think it is. The thing we more have to use in the dishwasher. No, it's not in the dishwasher. See it here. Not in the dishwasher. I don't know, my body feels so weird. Let me cut this out of the plastic and put it for like scald off. Yeah, wash it off with some lemon. This is the one that he got. Let me see if it have expiration date. God, the amount of something I go on every day is another recall. Yes, it's if you use the 31st of August is the expiration date. Let me take out the lemon. I may have red herring, you know. Buy red herring too. How many about cookie? I do this over the sink, cause man, this smells so awful. I just two fish.
With the brand, if you move away from being hyper-focused on the athlete.
We will always remain hyper-focused on the athlete. There's room for both. It's never in war, it's in hand. But now we have the runway to build this into a larger collection where we can express that performance and technical ability into these more expressive everyday silhouettes.
These are not all of this, and what makes technology performant for a runner.
I'm gonna wash out the salt mackerel with some lemon and cut them in two, and I'm gonna boil them. Well, not boil them, but try to get up. Well, it's actually boiling. To get off the rest of the salt. And then meanwhile, me I do that, I'm gonna need some flour.
Yesterday we did them a surprise. To get you good time. Back in the days, they have cameraman, they know everybody has cameraman. You look at the phone there.
Completely forgot to make that video. I put in the dumpling them in a pot. I'm practically finished. I'm putting the dumpling them for boil, and I throw off the hot water off this, and then I go wash it off about 2 to 3 more times so that it's not salty, and then I go cook it up. Because the salt mackerel, it's in its name, it is salt. It's in the name. It's hot, you know. Can I just take it off a fire? Alright, so I'm going to take off the skin, well, the scales, and wash it. Let me just cut up the onion, scallion, what they call green onion, and thyme, tomato. I'm gonna put some other seasoning in there now, black pepper and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna add in the salt mackerel. I add the salt mackerel. The amount of time I'm wash it off, I don't think it's salt again at all. So this is all the salt mackerel look. I cook it up, I season it up with black pepper and some Cajun seasoning and stuff like that, and then and some all-purpose. I put all-purpose, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and garlic powder. I think that was it. So now I'm gonna make it cook, and then I'm gonna make it cook down a little, and then I'm gonna add the butter bean. So I'm boil off the salt mackerel and wash it off so much that it not even taste salt now. The salt mackerel I do good in some coconut milk. I think to me the best way to cook salt mackerel in a rundown. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, so it look very good now. So I'm gonna go add some bean. These are the beans, Grace classic butter beans. Them here I use. I wash out the tin them. It's so good that the tin them are the snap off tin. Wipe them off. Let me drain it off. Oh. In one drop. So I add the butter bean them, and it's alright, you know. I finish boil the dumpling them. And this is how it's looking. It looks so good. Well, a coconut I'll be use. I say I like coconut milk. You see it here, salt, mackerel, and butter bean. Looks so good. Right here, come here, use one hand hold the camera and one hand stir. Like David saying want this, you know, and him Ben saying want this for eat. You see it here now. Guys, this is how it turned out. I think it turned out very good. At the pier, look on the people them on the beach. They're not gonna yard. And then I live away. Man. But at least in all that because of evening time now.